I want you to try something for me. Ask me for a glass of water, but you cannot speak or move your hand. Feels impossible, right? But for millions of people with severe physical disabilities or ALS, this is their everyday reality. So how do we fix it? Hi, I'm Krishnanshu Mittal from Upside Down Labs, and we have built something really special for this purpose. Mind2Words, a system that can turn eye blinks into a speaking voice.
Water.
With Mind2Words or M2W, we can ask for simple needs like food, water, washroom or more, and the system will speak it out for us. So let's get started. Let's see what we need to build this project. Neuro Playground Lite, BioAmp snap cable, Neoprep skin preparation gel, alcohol swabs, gel electrodes, USB to C-type cables, computer. You can get all this in the Ninja pack, in which you will get the main sensor Neuro Playground Lite with the Vibes Playmate. Neuro Playground Lite is not just a basic sensor. It is an open source wireless biopotential signal acquisition board designed to help you build awesome HCI and BCI projects. It can capture electrical signals like EEG from your brain, ECG from your heart, EMG from your muscles and EOG from the eyes. For today's project, we are going to use it to capture biopotential signals generated by your eyes, which are called electrooculography or EOG signals. You can learn more about NPG Lite from docs.upsidedownlabs.tech. Link is given in the description box. Now let's prepare our skin in order to get cleaner signals. Take a little Neoprep gel, which is optional, rub it gently on the skin where we will place the electrode, and then clean it with alcohol swab. This helps remove oil, dirt and dead skin. Next, snap the BioAmp cables onto the baby gel electrode. Peel them from the plastic and apply them to your skin. Place one electrode to your forehead, which will be positive, and other two behind the ears on the bony part, which will be negative in reference. Connect the other end of the wires to NPG Lite like this, positive to A0P, negative to A0N and reference to ref. Now let's set up the software. Make sure the battery cable is connected. Turn on the NPG Lite by flipping the switch on it. Connect the NPG Lite to your laptop using the USB to Type-C cable. Now go to NPG Lite Web Flasher tool, link to which is in the description. Click on Connect and select the device showing USB JTAG. Now click on Get from GitHub and select PCI Blink BLE. Once that's loaded, just flash the firmware. After the flash is successful, you can remove the cable from NPG Lite. Next, open the M2W web app from the description in Chrome, Brave or any Chromium-based browser. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your system, but do not connect to the device manually. Click Connect button on the app and select your ESP32 EEG device. Here's how the system works. A double blink acts as your navigation, moving you through the menu options like water, food, health. A triple blink is like your enter key. It selects the option and speaks it out loud. A single blink does nothing, so you can still blink normally without triggering the app. Let's do a live demo.
Water.
I need some water. I blinked to select water, and the system said it out loud. This is the main idea behind M2W. It is really that seamless. But if you're building this at home, keep these pro tips in your mind for best results. Blink clearly, keep your head still, make sure the electrodes are fixed properly, make sure NPG Lite is charged and not connected to your laptop or desktop. Try to stay away from heavy electrical appliances like AC, fridge or any heavy power source for better results. M2W is an amazing starting point to learn about brain-computer interfaces and is also helping a lot of people by acting as their own voice. And the best part, it is completely open for upgrades. In the future, we could add machine learning, custom vocabulary and even complete sentence generation. Stay tuned with us for an awesome build ahead. This is so much more than a cool tech project. It is a step towards helping people express themselves without speaking. Everything you need to build M2W yourself is linked in the description below in Instructive. If you found this video valuable, like, subscribe and let us know in the comments what you will build with this M2W system. See you in the next one. Until then, keep tinkering.